What's going on, guys? It's Kyle. Welcome to the Stock Goat YouTube channel. Today's video, we're going to be covering the Sofi stock who just released their earnings yesterday. I have a full YouTube video doing the breakdown. That video is trending hard. Be sure to smash the like button. Let's try and get this video over 2,000 likes. Don't stop smashing that like button for the YouTube algorithm, and be sure to drop a comment. Guys, a lot of YouTubers are going to be talking about the Sofi stock, following the hype train. This is not a hype channel. We actually do deep dives, fundamental analysis, covering the Sofi stock for over a year, and we've been preparing for this bank charter. The numbers are out of this world, and you're seeing a lot of these big hedge funds come in because they know the bank charter is for real. Understand the stock market is forward looking, so these big money investors are going to be looking forward 3 to 6 months. You're going to be seeing massive inflows coming in for the Sofi stock, and we're going to be getting a lot of new people to this channel now because Sofi is the trending topic, as you know, the best fintech in the market right now. If you search Sofi stock at the top of YouTube, Stock Goat is the #1 channel, the top creator covering the Sofi stock. So be sure to subscribe to this channel because we are going to be keeping you updated daily on all the breaking news covering the Sofi stock. As you guys can see, Sofi earnings were pretty solid last night, but we are getting prepared to have a great couple of weeks, getting prepared for the Sofi stock to rip because the market is absolutely feeling these types of numbers, guys. I'm telling you right now, Sofi is for real. They're going after these legacy banks, and we're seeing that with these insane deposits growing very, very rapidly, guys. This is not a stock you want to miss. We are going much higher. Fair value is around $15 plus right now. So let's get into the video. All right, guys, the stock market is absolutely ripping. We can see S&P 500 up 1.6, Dow up 1.3, NASDAQ up 2.5. That's your tech heavy weighted. Russell 2000 small caps up 1%. Sofi, as I'm filming this video at 12:53 p.m., Eastern time, we could see that Sofi is up 28%. Market cap still has light years to go, guys. We're right around $7 billion right now. That's trading around 4 times sales. What is that, guys? Is this a freaking, McDonald's restaurant? Is this a, legacy outlet company, JCPenney's? What the heck is going on with this 4 times sales? We are the fastest growing fintech neobank on the market right now, absolutely smashing earnings. My fair value right now is $14 on this stock, even in this type of macro environment that we're in right now. So market cap, guys, should be around, $14 billion in my personal opinion. We can see that there is some red, guys. We have Match. We also have the EJF acquisition, which is the Pagaya. Airbnb missed earnings. AMD had a soft earning. So some companies are in the red. We got a little bit of low green, Pinterest, Twitter, some of the older, legacy fintechs that, technology stocks that really haven't made a big, difference inside of the market. Best Buy, Netflix, Tesla, about 2% gain. Let's just go to the top. We got #1 Uno, Sofi Technologies, followed by Upstart, Coinbase, Robinhood, Affirm. A lot of these other fintechs are just falling after us. They should not really be in the green like this. Their numbers are not that impressive. Robinhood just cut 23% of their workforce, and they're up 12%, saying that they're not going to lose as much money because they're, firing people. That is absolutely insane to me. So all these stocks, guys, I don't care if they're green today. These are just people that don't understand the fundamentals and just, jumping on the fintech hype train because Sofi is exploding. Sofi is the real winner, guys. This is a 100% digital bank right now. You're about to see those losses absolutely decline quarter over quarter, just like we saw Q1 to Q2 because of those cost savings, using their deposits, which is up to $2.7 billion. Guys, this is going to be the deposits could be as high as $5 to $6 billion by the end of the year for the Sofi stock. So you guys see that we are absolutely ripping with volume at 100+ million. The average volume is 40 million. So we are literally doubled average volume right now. This is what you want to see. The Sofi stock is holding up extremely well right now. All right, guys, I thought it'd be fun to just go through my Twitter real quick. This is only going to take a minute or so just to show you guys the updates that were happening this morning. I said the 200-day simple moving average is around $11.48. The call options, started this morning pretty solid. The IV was extremely high. That's the implied volatility. So the market makers were expecting a massive move, but the options still managed to go up 90%. And I believe right now they're at like 250% plus. 750 was the big hurdle, guys. I started seeing a lot of, sell walls at that level. We surpassed that. I said a moon launch could be happening after 770. We got that. I'm letting people know this is one of the highest short interests on Wall Street now at 18%. I don't know if it's declined. This sell wall just kept popping up, guys. This is a tactic that, millionaires and billionaires use to manipulate stocks. So look at this, guys. The sell wall was at 116,000 at $8, and then you just seen it continuously explode. Look, 127,000 sell wall at 8. I said, let's smash it. This short seller needs to be taught a lesson. We got $2 billion worth of inflows. That sell wall got up to 151,000 at 8. And then I said Pluto after 8, that monster wall was at 157,000. As you guys can see, it continues to grow. RSI got a little bit high, so we wanted to cool off. I said round of applause for SoFi management for moving those earnings up 10 days. That's why we're having an insane day like that today. And then we had that sell wall pop up again at 153,000. Then it grew to 161,000, guys. And I said 8 is coming very, very soon. My God, the sell wall is at 186,000. So guys, look at that. As we just kept going higher and higher, these short sellers are trying to build up this sell wall as aggressively as they can. And then Anthony Noto came on at 11 a.m. and just smashed through the sell wall, guys. That was up to 184,000, guys. So this is absolutely insane. Look at this, guys. We just smashed through that $8, over an hour ago. And it's just been an amazing day because SoFi is holding up so well. And then you can see there were some more sell walls popping up around 810, like a 37,000 sell wall. And we just absolutely destroyed these sell walls. A sell wall, explained very quickly. A sell wall is a tool used by rich individuals or a group of rich individuals to manipulate the price of a stock downwards. A sell wall is a significantly large sell order placed at any price level, which can likely cause the price to drop substantially. So this is a tactic that a lot of billionaires and shorts use. So Noto absolutely killed the live CNBC interview, guys. They gave him a lot of airtime. We're talking like 4 or 5 minutes. I mean, it was absolutely insane. But the story is not over, guys. There is a potential catalyst that could be huge for SoFi. If you've been monitoring the SoFi stock, following the YouTube channel, you already know that's going to be those student loans. The loan payment moratorium has been a headwind for SoFi for almost 2.5 years, and they continue to smash these earnings. Guys, if you have not followed the earnings yet and you're hopping into the SoFi stock, be sure to go to my YouTube channel and watch my last video, guys. This video is trending #1 on YouTube right now. This is a full earnings breakdown. I think this video is going to get anywhere from 8,000 to 9,000 views by tomorrow. A potential ramp of student lending. In early 2020, the onset of the pandemic, a moratorium went to place that paused payments on federal student loans. The moratorium has been a huge drag on SoFi's student lending business because significantly fewer borrowers refinance their student loans when they don't need to make payments on their current loans. In the first quarter of 2020, moratorium originated more than 2.1 billion loans, and now we can see that they just recently in the second quarter originated less than $400 million. That's a 75% decline in one of their most profitable businesses in lending. So SoFi could have easily been a profitable company by the end of the year this year if they had that, a business segment. They just don't got it because Biden has extended these out for 2.5 years. SoFi has cut student loans out of their full 2022 guidance. So if we get these coming back by the end of the year, 2023 could be absolutely insane for SoFi. Remember, fair value right now, I'm pricing the stock at around $14. That's a $14 billion market cap. We could see Morningstar did their update. SoFi Q2 earnings boosted by personal loan growth, net interest income. It looks like they have a price target right around $15, and we could see a SoFi see strong growth in deposits, guys. That's because of their 1.8 interest APY, and this is why I really think these big money whale investors are hopping into the SoFi stock. Deposit growth impressed during the quarter, rising 135% from last quarter to $2.7 billion, guys. This could be as high as $6 billion by the end of the year. This is going to allow SoFi to save a lot of money, offer their customers a lot of interest. This is a double win-win that's just going to keep allowing them to steal market share for those legacy banks. SoFi personal loan origination up 91%. I cover all this in the earnings breakdown. I just want you guys to see, it looks like, Morningstar is right around $15 right now price target, and I think that is a very fair price target in this type of macro environment. If you made it to the end of the video, I want to say I really do appreciate it. I enjoyed doing this video for you. We know that we've been waiting for this stock to move for a long time. This is not a meme stock. You're not a meme company if you have, customers out there putting $3 billion worth of their money inside of your bank. This is a real legit company, and I'm telling you right now, the stock is exploding because they have that bank charter, and the bank charter is making meaningful impact on cost savings, deposits growing, lending capabilities. This stock is for real. Be sure to subscribe to the channel if you are not already subscribed. Let's try and get the YouTube channel up to 15,000 subscribers. We're going to be getting a lot of new SoFi investors into this stock very soon. So remember, this is the #1 YouTube channel covering the SoFi stock. We've been covering this bad boy for well over a year. Once again, my name is Kyle. Hope you have a great day.